What advice would you give to someone watching right now who feels they have a book in them they want to write, but hasn't been able to get the motivation or maybe doesn't have the routines or discipline to do it currently?
Well, what I recommend is you start off light. You don't necessarily just have to dive into the book from the very beginning stages. So when I'm working with a certain person who wants to write a book, the very first thing that we're doing is we're creating an outline. And with the outline, you just get a general gist of what's in this book. Okay. Is this going to be a short story book, an anthology book? Am I going to create a novel? Am I going to create a how to book, a do it yourself kind of book? You start to brainstorm rather than just diving in from the very get go. So you're starting off in the 3 foot side of the pool versus the 6 foot side, and you can't even swim. So that's what I would recommend for people who are thinking about writing their first book. Start off with a general outline. If I were to say, hey, just give me the potential chapters, which would be in the book, you don't even have to write any of the content. Give me the skeleton. Be able to at least do that. And if you can't even do that, then you have no business writing a book in the first place because that's the easy part.